Step 1. Open the armrest according to the video. Use a trim removal tool to remove the original car cover. Then remove the original screws to disassemble the original car components. Step 2. Install the wireless charger through the armrest hole and secure wireless charger to the armrest with screws. Step 3. According to the video, fix the newly removed original parts with screws. Then install the armrest cover plate. Step 4. Remove the silicone pad from the place where the cup is placed. Remove the original car screws. Use trim removal tool open and unplug the wiring harness. According to the video, take out the charger wiring harness and combine it with the original car wiring harness. Then install the wiring harness on the original car. Step 5. Organize the wiring harness. Cover it with a water cup cover. Then tighten the screws to complete the installation.